Good morning. So today we are going to see about the PLC programming using WPL software. So this is the icon of WPL software. W with that. So this is the home screen of WPL software. So today we are going to see about the extension and retraction of two double acting cylinder. So here we are going to use four outputs: Y1, Y2, Y3 and Y4. So Y1 for extension of cylinder A means A plus, then Y2 for extension of cylinder B means B plus, then Y3 for retraction of cylinder B as B minus, then Y4 is for retraction of cylinder A as A minus. So here we use four timer on four on delay timers for extension retraction of two double acting cylinder. So I go for drawing the PLC diagram. So go for new, enter the program title, model type PLC and select the type of PLC as SS2. Click OK. So here we get the two programming mode. One is ladder diagram mode, the other is the instruction list mode. So we go for draw the programming using PLC programming using ladder diagram mode because we have five different types of PLC program. So one is ladder diagram mode, the other is the instruction list mode, then sequential flow chart, functional block diagram and structured test. So we categorize these as a textual language as well as a graphical based programming. Textual based programming in section list, structured test. Graphical based programming method, ladder diagram, sequential function chart, functional block diagram. These three comes under the graphical type of PLC programming mode. So now we go for enlarging the ladder diagram because this is the easiest programming method to for PLC to draw the PLC programming. So here we get the coil type normally open, normally closed, output coil, and application section we get the timer and counter function. So now we go to the drawing diagram for extension retraction of two double acting cylinder in the sequence of A plus, B minus, and A minus. So draw the normally open coil. First input as X1. We'll go for the output Y1. Click OK. Then go for latching the Y1 output as input. Then go for the latching here. Click vertical line. Next I go for another input. Y1 as input. Then go for the timer function. Here type TMR. In S1 I go to name of the timer. S2 how many delay in terms of millisecond. So T1 will go for 100 millisecond. Click OK. So next T1 as the input, the output is Y2 second output. Click OK. Go for latching Y2. Click OK. Then draw the vertical line. So once the timer output will come, so I go for the break the first run and put the normally closed coil of T1. Click OK. So go for draw the next run Y2 as input. Go for the next relay timer T2. Type TMR S1 T name of the timer, then delay T2. Here I go for 50 millisecond. Click OK. So next go for T2 as input, click OK. Then output as Y3, click OK. Go for latching, Y3, click done. So after timer T2, here I go for break the Y2. So next I go for Y3 as input, timer function T3. In API name type TMR, S1 will be the name of the timer, T, K delay time. So T3, I go for 100. I give randomly the time delay. Next T3 as input, then output as Y4. Then go for latching, click OK, draw the vertical line. So after T3, we go for break the Y3, go for draw the normally closed T3, click OK. So up to this Y1, Y2, Y3 and Y4. So we get the four outputs. So Y1 for extension of cylinder A, that means A plus, Y2 after 100 millisecond, Y2 extension of cylinder B, B plus. So after 50 millisecond, we get retraction of B cylinder, means B minus. Then after 100 millisecond, we get the retraction of cylinder A as A minus. So next we want to do the next cycle of operation. The operation will be in continuous reciprocation. So I go for the adding another timer. So for that we go for Y4 as input, for another timer as T4, TMR, name of the timer, delay function, T4, 50 millisecond. Click OK. So this will be latching with the first cycle because we need to start the next cycle of operation. So we have to latch it in the first run. So T4. So draw the vertical line here. So likewise we have to break the circuit of Y4. So after getting T4, here we go for the break the Y4. So go for normally closed coil. So T4, name of the normally closed coil, T4. So this is a ladder diagram of two double-acting cylinder continuous reciprocation of in the sequence of A plus, B minus and A minus. Now you go for simulating this ladder diagram. You go for click the simulator. Next, write to the PLC, click. So click OK. So they ask you to compile this program, click yes. So after compiling, we get the last function of run end. Next, go for online mode, click online mode. So once entering online mode, we get all the normally closed coils green color, that means in energization stage. Now we go for run, click OK. So next, click the X1, right click, go for set on, immediately go for set off. So after 100 millisecond, we get the Y2. At present, cylinder A will get extended. Now cylinder B will get extended. After 50 seconds, cylinder B will get retracted. Then after 100 millisecond, cylinder A will get retracted. Then after 50 milliseconds, now we get the another cycle of operation. Y will get extended through this T4 latching. So this cycle of operation keep on going until I press the stop button. So this is a continuous reciprocation of two double acting cylinder in the sequence of A plus, B plus, B minus and A minus. So whatever we drawn through this PLC ladder diagram, so we have the instruction list model. So load X1 or Y1 or T4 A91 out Y1 is the first run. So like that we go for the next run, load Y1 TM or T1 with a delay of 100 millisecond and load T1 or Y2. So this is the second run. Next third run, load T1 or Y2 A82 out Y2 is a third run. Then fourth run, load Y2 TM or T2 as a delay of 50 millisecond. Then another next run, load T2 or Y3 A Y3 in T3 out Y3. So next run load Y3 TM or T3 this is a delay of 100 millisecond. Next load T3 or Y4 A94 out Y4. So next run load Y4 TM or T4 with a delay of 50 millisecond. So whatever we drawn through the PLC ladder, we have the parallel instruction stop model. So this is a graphical type of programming. This is a textual type of programming. Okay. So this is a simulation of two data texts using WPL software. Thank you.